Hi there. In this quick video, we'll show you how to connect your domain to your Dynadot website builder using DNS settings. This method works if your domain and website builder are in the same Dynadot account, and you're not using email hosting. First, sign in to your Dynadot account. Next, go to My Domains in the left-hand menu. Then click on Manage Domains. Check the box next to the domain you want to connect. Click the Action button, and select DNS settings. In the Domain Record section, select A from the drop-down. Enter 54.177.117.207 in the IP address box. Then add another record, and enter 16.162.17.243. Scroll down to Subdomain Records, type www as the subdomain, choose A, and enter 54.177.117.207. Then add a second www record with 16.162.17.243. When you're done, click Save DNS to apply the changes. Heads up, DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the web, so don't worry if your site doesn't appear right away. That's it. Your domain is now connected to your website builder using DNS. Thanks for choosing Dynadot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more domain tips.